how to upload Reels on Facebook. Let us first open our Facebook app and go to the menu. There, you will see an option of Reels. Click on that. You can view Facebook Reels here. Now, look for the camera icon on the top right of your screen and tap on that. You will now be led to the page where you can create your own Reels. You can either create a Reel right away by clicking on the camera. Here, I will create Reels from my pictures, so I will click on Select, Multiple Option, and click the pictures that I want as Reels. By adding music of my choice, selecting the length of the clips, and various other changes. I will now add a caption here. You can also add hashtags and mention people, which is totally optional. And click on Share Now. Now, in Profile, you can see our Reel is posted successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.